Kindergarten Linear Measurement Lesson, Session 10, using the Smart Stick. Smart Sticks are really just colored tongue depressors, and I have painted these too. You can have the kids color them, decorate them with stickers, or whatever you like. Students use these as a measurement standard to compare the length and height of some common objects. I've chosen some common objects from the Let's Compare kit. We have a plush squirrel, a tennis ball, unsharpened pencil, a vehicle, a crayon, and a domino. Smart Sticks are considered non-standard units because they are all the same length and width. Thus, several students are able to use them to measure with somewhat consistent results. They are not, however, widely accepted as an agreed-upon measurement unit. So what you would say to the students is, today we're going to use a special tool called a Smart Stick to measure. A Smart Stick will help you decide how long or tall an object is. Your job is to find at least one object that is shorter than your Smart Stick and one object that is longer or taller than your Smart Stick. You would begin by modeling one or more examples from your materials. So you'd be thinking aloud as you are deciding which objects are shorter or taller or longer than your Smart Stick and put them in size order. So I'm going to start with the pencil. I'll use the red Smart Stick. Now it's important that they line up the end of the pencil with the end of the Smart Stick, and I would say, oh, the pencil is longer than the Smart Stick. So I will move that over here because that is longer. I will take the plush animal and we will measure that. Put the end of the animal there. Oh, the squirrel is shorter than the Smart Stick. So I'll put the squirrel over here. The domino is shorter than the Smart Stick, so that would go over here. The car is shorter, oh, but I don't have it quite lined up, than the Smart Stick. And you get the idea. Now the tennis ball is a little more difficult because you'd have to hold it, but you could actually put it on the Smart Stick. And of course the tennis ball is shorter than the Smart Stick, and the crayon is too. Then what you would do is, I'm going to slide this over and use activity sheet 5, which is Smart Stick measuring. I'm going to put my Smart Stick here in the middle, making sure that it touches the bottom. I'm going to trace around it. Because that's my standard. The one item that is longer is the pencil. Oh, now that does not quite fit, but that doesn't matter because we can make it go. And kindergartners may need some help tracing. The important thing is that you accept their approximations if they don't do it perfectly, and that's totally fine. It does extend past the box. And I think the last thing that I will use is the domino. Now these could be in reverse order, with the pencil being longer over here and domino being there. You can also turn it sideways as long as it fits. Students can color and add detail or not, depending on how much time you have. And that is session 10, using the Smart Stick.